Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating history of the internet. Have you ever wondered how a military project from the 1960s transformed into the global network that connects billions of people today? Join with me as I am going to explore the groundbreaking innovations, key milestones, and visionary pioneers who made it all possible, from the invention of email to the rise of the World Wide Web. This is the captivating story of how the internet evolved and revolutionized our world. Stay tuned, you would not want to miss this journey through time. Let's start. Firstly, the birth of ARPANET. The historical development of the internet began with the launch of the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, in short DARPA, by US President Dwight Eisenhower. ARPANET commissioned in 1969 with 15 nodes and 23 hosts, aimed to enhance military applications and regain the US lead in science and technology. Secondly, major innovations. In 1972, Ray Tomlinson invented email, introducing a new communication technique called TCP, means Transmission Control Protocol, which later evolved into TCP/IP. Packet switching, introduced in 1973, allowed network computers to communicate seamlessly across multiple geographically dispersed locations by splitting data into tiny packets that could take different routes to their destinations and be reassembled in the correct order. Thirdly, early networks and developments. In 1977, DARPA established the Internet Configuration Control Board (ICCB). The Computer Science Network (CSNET), built in 1981 by the National Science Foundation (NSF), provided networking services to universities and industries in the USA. That same year, BITNET, because its time network, was formed at the City University of New York, adopting the IBM RSCS protocol suite to connect participating sites through leased line across academic areas. The University of Wisconsin developed the name server to facilitate the translations of names into numerical strings. Fourthly, growth and mergers. The NSF developed NSFNET in 1986, providing a significant boost to the academic and research communities. BITNET and CSNET merged in 1987 to form the Corporations for Research and Educational Networking, that is CERN. DARPA formed the Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT) in 1988 in response to the first significant computer virus spread. The Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF) and Internet Research Task Force (IRTF) were established under the Internet Architecture Board (IAB) in 1989 to oversee the development of the Internet standards and protocols. Fifth, the rise of the World Wide Web. A pivotal development in the history of the Internet was the invention of the World Wide Web, that is WWW, by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN Laboratory in 1991. The WWW introduced hypertext, a method of instant cross-referencing, revolutionizing how information was accessed and linked. In 1993, the first web browser, Mosaic, was developed by the National Center for Supercomputing Application, that is NCSA, at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, enabling the display of images alongside text. The first commercial web browser, Netscape, was produced in 1994 by Netscape Communication Corporation. By March 1995, the WWW had surpassed FTP in terms of traffic on NSFNET. 6. Internet Service and Advancement. In 1993, Inter-NIC was created to provide specific Internet service, including directory and database service, registration services, and information services. The year 1999 marked a significant change in the recording industry with the development of music file sharing platform, that is Napster. Web 3.0, also known as the intelligence web or semantic web, represents the third generation of the World Wide Web, emphasizing machine-based understanding of data. The WWW is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed via the internet, containing text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements. 7. Protocols and technologies. Several key protocols and technologies underpin the internet functionality. HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, a protocol used to transfer hypertext document across the web. Then HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, the standard language for creating web pages and web applications. DNS, Domain Name System, translate domain name into numerical IP address needed for locating computer services and devices. IP, Internet Protocol, a network layer protocol containing addressing informations and some control informations to enable packet routing. IP addresses are documented in RFC 791. TCP/IP, developed in 1974 by Robert Kahn and Vinton Cerf. TCP/IP is a two-layer program where the transmission control protocol manages messages assembly and the internet protocol handles the addresses part of each packet. TCP/IP uses the client-server model of communication. VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol, a standardized method for delivering and receiving audio data over the internet. 8. Other significant developments. Other significant developments includes the creations of the first internet telephony hardware and software for real-time voice conversations, the development of Telnet, a general-purpose client-server applications program used to remote communications, the introductions of FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol, for transferring files electrically between computers, then the creations of SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, for transmitting email over the internet, then the emergence of mailing list and list servers for group communications. 9. Evolutions of search engines and Web 2.0. The evolutions of search engines began with the development of the first search engine, that is Archie, in 1990, followed by other early search engines like Veronica and Jughead. The creations of Google, which has become the largest and most preferred search engines today, mark a significant advancement in search engine technology. Web 2.0, characterized by user-generated content like social media and interactive web applications, further transformed the internet. Web 3.0, or the semantic web, aims to enable machines to understand and process the meaning of information on the internet, enhancing the usability and interconnectedness of web resources. 10. The internet's profound impact. The continued evolutions of the internet, from its inception as a military project to its current status as a global information and communication network, underscores its profound impact on society and technology. The internet has become an integral part of daily life, supporting a myriad of applications from e-commerce and entertainment to education and telecommunications. As technology continues to evolve, the future promises even greater connectivity with advancement of like 5G, the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence. So, this is all about in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channels for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.